Hey everyone, this is Jeff with Miss K Cuttables, and welcome to a Miss K Cuttables tutorial video. Today we're going to go over our loyalty program. The Miss K Cuttables loyalty program is a new feature that was just added in late summer of 2018. I am really excited about how this program turned out, and I hope you all are too. Make sure that you have an account with Miss K Cuttables. Go to misskcuttables.com and click on Not Registered, Register Now. Put in your email address you would like to use for your account. I recommend using an email address you actively use because we send our email receipts to this email address. This is how you will log in, and it is also how you can get updated information from our website. I'm going to use Miss Kate Cuttables. There's two T's there. At Gmail, but that brings up something good. Make sure that you don't have any typos in your email address. Create a password. I'm not going to tell you what my password is. Make sure they match. The two check marks will show you that they match. First name, we're going to have this account be under Miss Kate. If you're not a robot, check I'm not a robot. It's going to bring up a verification. So what ones have storefronts? This one, this one, this one, this one. We did it right. Okay, now I'm going to click register, and it will create the account on our website. Here's our account. Okay, do you want to save your password? I recommend saving your password. So I'm going to save the password in my Google Chrome. You can upload a photo to your account here. You can update your address, create an alias by clicking on edit. It already has our name, our email address. You can create an alias, your phone number. This is where you can change your address or input your address for shipping purposes. If you were to order physical products, this is where it gets your address. Save. That will save your account. The loyalty program is right here. So sign up for our loyalty program. Now, the loyalty program is being modified, but currently you can leave member number blank. Just click submit. We are going to have it updated eventually where basically there is either a checkbox saying yes, sign me up and submit, or something a little more simple, but there is no member number required. But it does require a phone number. You can do whatever phone number you want. I'm going to put a fake phone number in. We don't even look at the phone numbers, so whatever you put in there will never be seen by anyone. Submit. Thank you for signing up for our loyalty program. Saved. Okay, once you have the saved loyalty program information screen, you are signed up for the loyalty program. In order to check your points, click on My Account, and it shows you right there 50 points. There is a sign-up bonus of 50 free points we give you for signing up for the program. To review our loyalty program information, click on Loyalty Program up here at the top. The loyalty program is not too hard to get enough points to redeem if you use tricks to get your points to accrue quickly. First of all, the program was not available before August 12, 2018. If you have been a long-time customer, we don't have any way to go back and add points from previous purchases because the program was not finished. So anything after August 12, 2018 will qualify for points, but you have to be signed up. If you're not signed up, you still don't get points. So all you have to do is make sure you're signed up. Every dollar you spend gives 4 points. And it's easy to earn points with our program. Our loyalty program rewards you for every purchase made on misskcuttables.com as long as it is at least $1. If you purchase a 50-cent shape, you will not get half a point. If you purchase a 99-cent shape, you will not get point. It has to be in dollar increments. So $1.30 spent on the website will get you a point. $2.01 will get you 8 points. And $1.30 will get you 4 points. So make sure that your purchases are rounded up to the closest dollar if you want points. There is a way to maximize your points earnings. So every purchase counts for points. If you use credit vouchers, rapidly gain. Say you purchase a credit voucher. Okay, a $100 credit voucher only costs you $65. So for $65, you get $100 in credit towards any of our digital products. Credit vouchers will carry a balance. You can use them over multiple orders. They're very simple to use. You save up to 35% off face value. But the thing about credit vouchers is they are only good for our digital download files. If you do happen to accidentally purchase anything else like software or paper or anything, the order will go through, but it will be canceled and you will be recredited. But just so you know, credit vouchers are only for digital download files. Okay, and to show you how simple and quick you can accrue points in our loyalty program, let's add them up. You start with a 50-point bonus, and if you purchase a $100 credit voucher for $65, $65 gets you, with the sign-up bonus, a total of 310 points. And then your $100 credit voucher, if you use them in dollar increments, you can get another 400 points out of that credit voucher. So add another 400, you're at 710 points already. In the loyalty program, all you need is 1,000 points to get a free $10 credit voucher. So another purchase of a credit voucher will easily put you over the 1,000 points. So when you have your points and you're ready to redeem them for free credit vouchers, when you send the email to info@misskcuttables.com, put redeem my loyalty program points in the subject line just to help us find it and more quickly get this redeemed. Just explain my account is under my email address I'm using, or this email address, which is different than the one I'm using. I have points that I would like to redeem the credit vouchers and apply it to your account, and then your loyalty program points will be adjusted. So let's just go over this really quick. Log into your account, click on my account, look halfway down the page, find loyalty program, sign up for our loyalty program, enter your phone number, leave the member number blank, click submit. That's all you have to do. Every purchase after that will start accruing points as long as you follow the dollar rule. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope that this tutorial explained how to sign up for the loyalty program and answered some questions. If you do have questions, you can email us, info@misskcuttables.com. Make sure you like and subscribe and share, and we will see you on the next tutorial video.